Hey guys, welcome back. We're in the wood shop. I wanted to give you a quick update. As you can see, I got all the framing done. This wall right here, I wanted to have access to the furnace. So this wall is actually a separate piece right here. This whole panel, and it's screwed down with 6 screws, so you can take the whole thing out. So if I ever need to change the hot water tank or the furnace, I can have easier access instead of having to go through this little door and work inside here. So I did that. The rest of it's all framed up. I'm in the process of wiring right now. I'm going to get a detailed video on wiring coming out soon. I also have a lighting video. You can see I have the lighting up here. I ended up doing 3 of these shop lights. There's 2 there, and then there's 1 over here because this is where the miter stand's going to be over here. So I wanted to have light right above that. So that's done. This is all framed in. I had outlets all put in the ceiling here. I'll do a video on this. I ended up going with just a box fan for a filter system for all the fine dust. Everybody online says this is the way to go because you actually circulate more air, and all you have to do is just buy a 20 by 20 filter. So I rigged that up yesterday just to try that out. You can see I got all the wiring going here. I just have to put this last piece in here. I apologize for the mess, everything. I'm just trying to keep it in the middle. I've been moving it all around the room so that I can work in here. So yeah, the framing's done. I got to get 2 doors, a 24-inch and a 36-inch to put in here, and then we'll be moving along. So if you want, leave a comment if there's anything you're interested in. Obviously I did outlets in the ceiling, and then these lights just plug into the outlets, so that's pretty straightforward. I ended up running 2 separate circuits. I have 1 circuit that runs the lights, and then the outlet for the shop vac, and then the outlet for the air filter, because I want to run those separate from the power tool outlets so that they don't compete with each other. So this whole along the wall here is all run on a separate circuit, because there's going to be 6 or 7 outlets on the walls here. I'm going to put a 4 outlet up here for all the stuff I need to plug in. So once the outlets are done, I'll show you how to do outlets. Leave a comment if you want to see how to do an outlet or a light switch, or if you want any more info on these shop lights. I ended up picking those up at Ace Hardware. I think they're made by a company, Metalux, which is owned by Eaton, I believe. But I can give you a link to those if you're interested in some shop lights. They're great. They're like 3200 lumen LED lights. So, and this one actually has Bluetooth speakers in it, 1 on each side. I've been using that lately. I thought that was kind of neat. I can run music down here because I'm eventually going to put an Echo Dot in here on the ceiling, I think, so I can control this stuff, because I want to automate this room at least a little bit, so I can turn the shop vac on, because you can buy remotes and stuff to run the shop vac. But I figured it was better if I can do it with Alexa, why not? I already have the hookup in here. So I'm going to try to get that to hook up the fan with an outlet, a switch outlet, and then I'm going to put 1 on there to control the shop vac. I'm just trying to find the right ones. So that's it. That's where we're at now. I'm going to keep moving along. I got to finish these outlets. I got 6 outlets to wire up. I'll do a video on those if you're interested. Just comment. And then I got to do some plastic on the walls to seal this room out. And then I'm going to go get some pegboard, and we're going to cover this whole room in white pegboard. And then I already looked at a whole bunch of different accessories I can get for pegboard, so it's going to be great. I'm going to get my wood rack down here. In a couple spots they have these little cubbies that hold screws and all that, so we're going to put all that, we're going to do all kinds of pegboard stuff down here. It's going to be fun. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll link another video here, and my subscription button. Make sure you subscribe. Click the link below. I'll leave links to some of the stuff if you're interested, or just leave a comment and tell me what you're looking for. Other than that, I got to start cleaning this stuff up, and then it's onward to the next project here and here. So the wood shop's coming along pretty good. I also have flooring too I want to put down. I have I don't know if I think I mentioned in the other video, I got foam flooring back there. I think I'm going to put that down on the floor. So hang tight for the next video, and I'll catch up with you soon, okay? Take care.